Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Honda Odyssey that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you need to find where the fuse for the backup lights is located, which fuse you need to check if your backup reverse lights do not work, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. Where it's located, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017 guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now something else guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the backup lights fuse, also known as reverse lights fuse, where it's located, we're going to demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey. You may have up to 5 different fuse boxes in your Honda Odyssey guys, but the fuse box that we need is under the hood, and here you will notice that you have 2 of them. This is the secondary one, we don't need this one. We need the main fuse box that's on the left side right here, okay, you can see on the left side of the engine. You open that fuse box cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now this is the front of your Honda Odyssey, this is towards the windshield side, but before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the backup lights, also known as reverse lights fuse, this is in that fuse row right here guys. If you come right here, and the fuse on the very right side, we're talking about a 10 amp fuse guys. The 10 amp fuse is the one that you will need to check. This is your backup lights fuse, reverse lights fuse. If yours do not work, and often in states where especially inspection is required, you will need to guys fix that. It's for your own safety as well. Always check the fuse guys. If sometimes if a bulb burns, it can burn the fuse as well. So that's the fuse right here, known as fuse number 16. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.